Hey, what's up guys, Fazban here. Today I'm going to tell you about Tenorshare Summer Sale 2021 where you can get a free giveaway, 70% off and a coupon code. The sale will end on July 28th. The link to this page is available in the video description. Here you can get HitPa Photo Enhancer giveaway. All you need to do is share this page to your social media with hashtag Tenorshare Summer Sale, hashtag Tenorshare giveaway. Then fill in your email and they will send you 1 month license code for free. And here is special offer for newly released app ULT data for Android app. With this you can remove deleted photos, audios, videos, WhatsApp data without root, and you can get a lifetime subscription for just $4.99. And here is 70% off on different products plus $5 coupon code. You can copy and paste the $5 coupon code to save money. So you can see here are number of products which are 70% off, like Tenorshare Reboot, iCare phone for WhatsApp transfer, ULT data for iOS, For You key for Mickey, iAnyGo For You key for Android, and iCare phone. So the link to this campaign is available in the video description, so must check it out. Now let's talk about HitPa Photo Enhancer. You can get the free license code of HitPa Photo Enhancer in giveaway. With this you can fix the blurry photos. So after installation the software, now you need to import the photo you want to upscale to the software. You can click the choose file or just drag and drop the original photo to it. Or you can simply click on the sample provided by HitPa to check the effect. Once uploaded the photo, you can enable the WTA mode, and here are 3 output formats: PNG, JPG and WEBP. Choose the format. Click the preview button to process the photo. You may need to wait for a few seconds. And here you can see the result. Now click export to save the enhanced photo. That's all about how to use HitPa Photo Enhancer. The links are available in the video description, so must check it out. So that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.